How to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone. If your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi or keeps dropping the signal, here are some steps to fix it. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Cellular. At the bottom, check for Wi-Fi Assist and turn it off. This feature switches to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak and can sometimes cause issues. Next, go back and turn on airplane mode for a few seconds. This disconnects Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular. Turn it off again and try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. If it's still not working, go back to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Select Location Services, scroll down, and tap on System Services. Make sure networking and wireless is turned on to help your iPhone connect properly. Now go back to Wi-Fi in Settings. Tap the small eye icon next to your network and choose Forget this network. Reconnect by entering the password again to refresh the connection. If that doesn't solve it, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset. Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and confirm. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings to default. Finally, if none of these steps work, the issue may be with your router or modem. Unplug it from the wall for 30-60 seconds, then plug it back in and reconnect. And that's how you can fix Wi-Fi problems on your iPhone.